Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this quick delicious pasta in under 15 minutes, so let's jump right in and get started. The longest part of this is going to wait for the water to boil and cooking the pasta. We want to take the burrata cheese and break it up with the spoon. If you don't have burrata, then you can use ricotta cheese for this as well. I'm going to use the Caponata seasoning from Spoon Spices. This is going to add a ton of flavor to our pasta. It has dried herbs, garlic, onion, capers, olives, little chili flake, all in one handy seasoning. Mix that into the burrata. This is going to give a chance for the herbs and spices to rehydrate and really bring out all the flavor. When the pasta is ready, we want to pour it right on top of our cheese. This is going to melt the cheese and keep everything nice and creamy. Add our roasted peppers. Add the fresh arugula. This is going to add a little spice and texture to the pasta. Mix everything together and get the pasta coated with the creamy burrata cheese. And this is what we're looking for, a nice creamy pasta with fresh arugula and roasted peppers. Then on top of that, let's add some cheese. I'm using Fiore Sardo, which is a smoked Pecorino from Sardinia, but if you don't have this, Parmesan will work great as well. A little drizzle of olive oil to finish off the pasta. And a little sprinkle of the Caponata seasoning. There you go, a quick, simple pasta in under 15 minutes. Packed with flavor, creamy, rich, delicious. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment and let me know what some of your favorite quick meals are. And don't forget to stop by my website, spoonspices.com.